Okay, this is day 3 of the 31 days of Halloween. This is a little holder that you can use. Now, this one's not stapled down or anything, but you can adhere it, or it just stays like that too. This is what I'm calling a tattoo holder. Has a little punch right here. And actually, if you move the punch over, it's the word window punch. And if you move the word window punch a little bit over and a little bit over this way, you can fit a thin pack of Trident gum or a Ghirardelli chocolate, or you can use this for other things, but I've used it for tattoos. So this is also very simple, easy to make. What you need is a piece of black cardstock, 2.5 by 8 inches, and then you score it. You can see the scores: 2 1/4, 2.5, 2 1/4, 2.5 from either side. And then you fold this all up. The only tricky part that I wanted to show you on the video is where to get your word window punch. You just line it up on the side and you come in about 1 inch. And if you're looking at it right straight up and down, you can get it to not be crooked. So it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to. You just need to come down just a little bit, not all the way in. All the way in will take it down there. So you just come in a little bit. And then on all the fold lines, you can fold them up real tight. Whenever there's a mountain, you smash the mountain. But I actually don't think it really matters. And this is what gives it a little bit of room. Okay, so then you put some adhesive right here. I just use snail. And you fold it down like that. And that leaves a little pocket. Now, I was telling you before, if you move this over, if you line it up again, you can see exactly where it is. You can move it over and get a little bit more room on that side, a little bit more room on that side. Then you can fit in the chocolate or the Trident. And it will just sit right in there, nice and snug, and you just push it down in there. So that's really cute and easy. And this first part, you can Velcro it down, or you can tie it with a ribbon, or I just left mine because it doesn't need it. Now, to make this top part, I just got some black paper and cut it 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. And then the white paper, I just cut it a tiny bit larger. I think this is 1/16 larger on each side, and I love doing that with black because then it just really pops. You could actually do an 1/8 inch larger too, depending on how much white. And you just have to adhere that on just right so you've got exactly equal on each side. Okay, so that's kind of plain, so I wanted to add some pizzazz to this skeleton. So what I did is I have some sticky back paper, and it's sticky on both sides, and I just punched out a heart with it. Then I pulled off the sticky back and I put it in some micro beads, and that's how we got that really nice look on that heart over there. Hold on, I got that back part off. It's hard to do this with a camera in front of me. My iPad. Okay, here we go. So you just take off the top layer, and it's going to be really sticky. And then I thought for fun I would do this one in chunky glitter. So let's see how this will work. Just for a different look. This is kind of like micro beads. They're almost as big. So then I find that you put it on, smash it, then stick it in again. And get a little bit more on there. Smash it in. Okay, that's cute. And then, this is going to be really tricky. Sorry folks, you're just going to have to let me do this in front of my own eyes so I can get in really close. There you go. And then you can peel it off. Then just give it to his hands, because Halloween's not all about scary. I don't know. Red's just really cute with black. Okay, Then you can have one like that.